Print a list in reverse order with range. How can you produce the following list with range in Python?
Use reverse function. Efficient since range implements _reversed _. It's much more meaningful. Update, listcast. If you want it to be a list, as at BTK pointed out. Update, range-only solution. If you want to use only range to achieve the same result, you can use all its parameters. Range start, stop, step. For example, to generate a list, 3, 2, 1, 0, you can use the following. It may be less intuitive, but it works the same with less text. This answer by Wolf indicates this approach is slightly faster than reversed.
Use the range built-in function. The signature is range start, stop, step. This produces a sequence that yields numbers, starting with start, and ending if stop has been reached, excluding stop. The list constructor converts range, which is a Python generator, into a list.
You could use range 10, column -1, which is the same thing as range 9, -1, -1, and arguably more readable, if you're familiar with the common sequence column -1, Python idiom.
For those who are interested in the efficiency of the options collected so far, Jamie RGP's answer led me to restart my computer after timing the somewhat challenging solution of Jason literally following my own suggestion, by a comment. To spare the curious of you the downtime, I present here my results. Worst first. 1. Jason's answer, maybe just an excursion into the power of list comprehension. Martineau's answer, readable if you are familiar with the extended slices syntax. Miao Trier's answer, the accepted one, very readable. Benny's answer, the very first, but very sketchy at that time. The last option is easy to remember using the range n1, -1, -1, notation by Val Meekman. 1. As commented by Carl Nechtel, the results presented here are version dependent and refer to the Python 3.x version that was stable at the time of answering this question.
No sense to use reverse because the range function can return a reversed list. When you have iteration over n items and want to replace order of list returned by range start, stop, step, you have to use third parameter of range which identifies step and set it to -1, other parameters shall be adjusted accordingly. Provide stop parameter is -1, its previous value of stop 1, stop was equal to 0. A start parameter use in 1. So equivalent of range in reverse order would be